Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's Place. Matt back. I'm here today with my grandson, Jax. Say hi, Jax.
Hi.
Got a popsicle?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go out and we're gonna take a look at the garden. See if we got any animals in there today. Haven't got up the back fencing yet. That's coming today, hopefully. We'll get that done. Picked up the T-post and the chicken wire yesterday. See what happens. Don't that garden look beautiful? That there's a beautiful garden.
Grandpa?
Yep.
The camera's like, oh no, not the tree again.
Alright.
The camera's like, oh no, not Jack again.
Not Jax again. Alright, we're gonna get the rest of this laid down today. We got a lot done yesterday. This is where all our gourds are gonna go. Our squash, watermelons, pumpkin. Okay, well, we're at another end of a day, and we didn't do a lot of taping in between. Let's see what's going on now. Rebecca's watering plants by hand because I haven't got the irrigation system in yet. But you can't wait. Said I bet you can't wait till I get the irrigation system in.
Really, I can't. I've been doing this for hours.
So what did we get done today? Well, we finished laying all of the black fabric that we had. So this is the area where we're gonna put all our gourds, our squashes, our watermelons, and there won't be no weeds. Ain't that a wonderful thing? Look at that. And we've already started doing some of the planting. Well, Rebecca has. I just put the holes in the fabric and she does the planting. Today she got all the watermelon planted. She's going to be planting some squash tomorrow. And then in this row here, we're going to be doing some radishes, onions. I don't know what else she has planned. Maybe some more beets. Well, let's see. Obviously, I am not the planter. So, we'll leave that to Rebecca. I just get the soil ready, get the black fabric laid, the cattle panel up, T-post driven, chicken wire installed. Oh, speaking of chicken wire, remember the other day the deer got in? I started installing our fix for that. Yeah, you'll have to see this. So we've got chicken wire in, first 4 feet, and then we're going to go another 2 feet up with some more chicken wire, cattle panel. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I may just string a wire across the top. I want to get us, I need to get us at least, I need to get over 6 feet tall, as high as that cattle panel is at least. So we'll see how we'll get there. But yeah, we do not want no predators in here at all. No deer, We don't want no rabbits, no groundhogs, no possums, no nothing. Just us. Ooh, I see what I was ducking under. So this is a mulberry tree. We got mulberries starting to come in now. And it is a big mulberry tree. So we get lots of mulberries out of it. Rebecca made mulberry jam last year. Tasted really good. We had a tomato plant die, we're not sure why. Maybe something got to its roots. We'll be replacing that tomorrow. We just happen to have a handful of extra plants that we're going to replace it with. Other than that, most of the tomato plants look pretty good. They're coming in healthy and tall, full. And our lettuce and our kale. Peppers are starting to come in really well. Look at this lettuce. That's romaine lettuce. It is so beautiful. And for whatever reason, for whatever it's worth, it's better than what I've been buying in the store. I had some for lunch today. And then because we've been out here so busy, we just grabbed something to snack on it for dinner. Like, it's some pickled bologna and cheese. Yeah, good dinner. But that kind of goes along with we're just busy. We're trying to get this done. Not enough hours in the day. Tomorrow, well tonight, because I still have some time left tonight, I am going to build the gate, at least get that built and ready to assemble on. And then tomorrow I'll work more on the back fence. Work on keeping the deer out. The cucumbers are coming in nice. Show you those. Starting to get some flowers on them. Some baby cucumbers. They're starting to want to try to climb. So it was so disappointing the other day to see the deer had attacked our garden. They were actually in here. I looked at the window, I could see the deer in here. I know how they got in, and we're going to remedy that. Weeds aren't going to be an issue this year. Well, I think we've seen to that. And then Rebecca and I were talking, and I asked her, I says, how much do you think we're going to produce? She says, it's going to be 4, 5, 6 times what we had last year. And I says, why is that? You know, we're talking, and like, how can that be? You know, our garden is just as big as it was last year. Last year we had rows that were 3 feet apart. And I can tell you this year we're going to have like, I think 10 times the yield. We'll have to see. But it does look nice. It's well organized. It'll be easier to maintain. While she's hand spraying the plants, that is still far easier than dragging a sprinkler around. And sprinkling, you know, make sure that we're watering the plants and the weeds and anything else that wants to grow out here. Yeah, what a waste of water. once we get the irrigation system in, that will be the last thing on this list that I gotta handle out here. Tomorrow I've got to get the bed in for the strawberries. I gotta put the strawberry bed in tomorrow. Just gotta till up some soil. You know, won't be laying any plastic for that, but we will probably put some chicken wire around the outside of it to keep some of the predators out. Coming up soon, Rebecca will be doing her garden tours. She just is busy right now trying to get all this done with me. But when she gets an opportunity, she's going to start doing the garden tours. So please have a great night. God bless. Share, like, subscribe. It really helps. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.